Morning guys, it's back to Australia day and it's about 5 something. We're here at the Auckland airport and we're having a bit of breakfast, and because we've been staying in a hotel for the past couple of days, obviously the problem with that is that we don't get to cook our own meals. So today I just wanted something fresh, something nutritious. So I got a Simply Squeeze berry smoothie, bursting with berries and vitamin C. And because I just feel like something natural and nothing with sulfates and preservatives and junk and all that crap. So I also got myself a fruit salad for breakfast. I'm gonna miss my grandma so much, and I just cried so much because the realization of knowing this is possibly the last time that I will ever see her and alive, and it's just really sad. Like every year that I go back to Samoa, she's there. Like, she is home. And I didn't take any footage of her just out of respect of my family and for my grandmother, because I just felt that was a little bit personal, and especially the condition that she's in. I don't think it would have been very nice to show that, if you know what I mean. But again, thank you so much everybody for keeping us in your prayers. We really do appreciate it, Cioci and I. So God bless you guys, and we are going back to Australia. Put your beanie on.
For our sake.
Yeah. He's eyeballing it.
Please be with me.
Of course, the baby crying is our baby Evan. We're on the plane now.
Thank you, flight attendants. Boarding is complete. And it's my pleasure on behalf of your crew to welcome you on board this Air New Zealand and Star Alliance flight.
We've got a chat going on in the Air New Zealand
New Zealand are proud winners for the 4th consecutive year of the Airline Ratings Airline of the Year Award.
We've got a chat going on.
We also welcome those who are joining us from ANA, Airlines, Tahiti Nui, Vanuatu, Cathay Pacific, Etihad and Virgin Atlantic. All of them are partners on
if you know their seat number, you send them a request and you can have a chat. How cool is that? This is our chat we got going on here. Finally back in Canberra, and the weather is rubbish at the moment. My hair's been everywhere, but we spent the last 3 hours just talking with my parents, explaining to them our trip, how grandma was, just telling them all the stories. And guess who I'm with?
Hello guys. I thought you'd not see me again.
I've missed you.
I miss you so much, guys. Even my wife, I miss her so much. Now she's coming back. We enjoy, and I'm so happy to see her. And guys, sorry for not seeing me other vlogs putting up, because she's going to New Zealand and leave me here in Canberra.
Yeah, but I was really happy to see Cioci. I knew he was home because I heard my bedroom door open, and I was around the house, and then I ran into the room and he was hiding in our room, and then when I saw him, I hugged him so tight, and it was such a good hug. And you know what, I just believe that distance makes the heart grow fonder. I think it was a good thing, even though we missed each other very much. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Sorry about the delay in the vlog. We're filming this as we're packing because when we got back from New Zealand later that night, my grandmother died. And it was quite upsetting when we first found out. Our house was just a mess in terms of everyone crying, and my dad especially was really upset, and he was crying a lot, and we were all pretty much crying a lot, and I'm just happy that my grandmother's in a better place and she's not hurting anymore. And I just want to thank you guys for praying for her and for my family, and I pray that you continue to do so. As you watch this video, we would have finished the funeral by now, and I guess that's when our grieving starts, because we've pretty much been rushing around trying to get everything done. Thanks, honey. Trying to get everything done. We haven't really had time to just accept her and breathe it in. So we're packing at the moment. We booked our flight a few hours ago. We haven't packed, we haven't got anything ready, but we leave for a bus in about a couple of hours. So we're gonna get that done, and you guys will see some of our trip. It's 3:30 a.m, 1 hour sleep. We're still going. I just got an Uber here. There they are.
Yeah.
Oi, the other suitcase. I just wanted to see if we forgot anything. Can you turn on the light? Oh, no. Yeah. Thanks.
Hi everyone. Now we're going to Samoa because in Samoa.
Morning, guys. It's about 7:30 and we're back at this airport again. Well, for me, I've been here like twice in the past week, and we're on our way to Samoa.
Hello everyone.
Good morning. Don't mind our morning looks. I gotta go get changed after we check our bags in, because as many of you know, Samoa's pretty hot. I'm not trying to wear like jumpers and stuff there.
No,
but the airport is so busy. Honestly,
we arrived there.
So busy. Y'all want to see?
They'll send me back one
And you know what? Jessie's being so mean to me.
You're poor.
Why are you filming me?
What are you doing here?
I'm standing in line like you.
Where did you go?
Where am I going? I'm going to Samoa.
What are you doing in Samoa?
On this funeral.
Now guys, we're at the airport.
It's so full. Yeah, look how busy it is. Show the camera on me.
Yeah. Finished checking in our bags, and we going inside. Hey, it's so cool, hey. So cool. See you there, guys. Now, guys,
About to board now. I just got changed into something more Samoan attire worthy because I know it's gonna be really hot there.
yeah.
So yes, he's got his change of clothes under his clothes.
Changing the Auckland.
We don't have time.
Just change on the plane.
Oh gosh.
You gotta come.
We're finally on the plane now. We stop over in Auckland for about 45 minutes or maybe 30 minutes and then off to Apia we go.
Those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisle and exits clear until we arrive at our gate. And most importantly, once the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers as items may have moved during the flight and that could fall out. Today we'll be disembarking through the forward door only and we'll be refueling. Electronic devices may now be used with flight mode turned off.
And this is our first time to the new airport. And Siosi's too.
Yep.
Couldn't get rid of those singers. It's a little bit humid. Look how cool that is. It's pretty busy over here. We're finally here in Samoa. Got a little bit teary. My parents picked us up. And I got teary thinking about my grandmother because it's just so weird to be here and her not be here for us to say hello to. So that's a little bit upsetting, but it's about 9:30 or 9:40 at the moment. We got in trouble. We got in trouble because we filmed in the immigration area. I was like, you know what, fight me, okay? I don't care. But it's okay, it's not that hot here right now. Siosi's wearing cold clothes. Do you have to take your trolley back? How are we supposed to get up?
Yeah. Yeah.
Really? It's not like the other one. Molly, you get up. I'm about to rip my dress, man.
Yeah.
Ossie, can you hold this? Don't feel me.
Look.
Ossie! Welcome back. I don't know. Say something, honey.
Now guys, we here in Samoa and the lady, she pissed me off.
Seriously, I'm meilleur. Anyways, I'm just so happy to be here, and it's just devastating that my grandmother's not here. But we're going home to see my cousins, and you know what, the thing that I hate most about being in Samoa is because every time they see me, everyone's always like, I'm just like, no. Let me go fit out. Okay? I'm like, care. Right now I'm like, care. Don't even try to talk about me, alright? I'm here for grandma. We're pulling up to my village now here in Fukuoka, and it's about 10, I think. Still people are walking around. You can't really see me, so sorry about that. But I'm just getting ready so I can introduce my cousins to you guys. We just got here, guys. It's getting a little bit more humid now. We're out of the aircon and it's night, so it's not too bad, but I'm thinking of having a shower. We're going to get up early in the morning tomorrow to go to Apia and set up some things for grandma's funeral. But before I go, I just want to do a quick comment of the day, and I haven't got my phone with me. Siosi's got it, so I'm just going to pick the last comment that I just seen. As we arrived, I got a notification from Schuster, who commented on one of our videos saying "Se malo Vicky, ha 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 ha." So congrats, Schuster. But yeah, it's kind of hot. So, anyways, I'm probably going to end it now and see if you guys can meet some of my family later. Do you want to be in my video, Auntie? Hi guys, this is my Auntie Linda. Hi. And everyone's gone now. Anyways, as they come, I'll keep introducing them to you guys. There's my cousin Anna. I'm zooming in. Hey girl. I know I ended the vlog, but I've got some family members I want you guys to meet. This is my cousin Morgan. What? This is my other cousin-in-law, Ula. Oh, you are so beautiful, girl. That's my auntie, Becca, my niece, oh, my nephew. And my cousin. And this is my grandmother's big house. It feels so empty without her. If you like it, subscribe. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like, subscribe.